Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are sharing 15 beautiful, elegant engagement cake ideas, perfect for celebrating the start forever. From modern chic to soft floral romance, every cake is crafted to match the magic of your moment. First one is blush rose elegant cake for engagement. A single tied blush pink buttercream topper with fresh roses and gold. She said yes, topper. Soft, romantic, and pictureful. The next is minimal white and gold cake. Clean white tire with gold flakes and a sleek gold ring topper. Simple and classy. Less is more with style. The next is floral hope engagement cake. A floral hope surrounding the top tile, paired with greenery and soft colors, elegant and modern. The next is heart shaped pastel cake. A lovely heart shaped cake in a soft peach stone with white pearls and fondant roses. Perfect for a romantic setup. The next is gold drip and macaron cake, white buttercream with gold drip, pastel macaron, and edible flowers for a stylish bride to be. The next is rustic semi-necked cake, minimal frosting with fresh floral and a wooden engaged topper, ideal for boho or outdoor parties. The next is two-tiered ivory cake. Ivory buttercream tiles with pipe lace pattern and real white roses. Classic elegance. The next is pink ombre elegant engagement cake. A soft ombre from deep roses to blush decorated with tiny sugar pearls. Subtle and artistic. The next is engagement ring topper cake. A tall cake topped with a glittery edible ring, an initial of the couple. A sweet nod to the big question. The next is white texture buttercream cake. Texture with rustic spatula lines, decorated with soft balloons and baggy tone. Simple and modern. The next is a navy blue and in gold engagement cake. Deep navy buttercream with bold gold accent and white roses, elegant and bold for the modern romantic couples. The next is lavender dream cake, soft lavender icing topping with silver sprinkles and delicate piping work, unique and calming. The next is garden theme engagement cake, decorated with wildflowers, greenery, and natural tones, fresh and full of charms, perfect for a springtime garden party. The next is monogram minimal cake, a smooth white with couple initial in a gold fondant, clean and meaningful, personal and timeless. The next is engagement dessert tower cake, a small cake base surrounded by mini cupcakes or macarons in matching colors for a sweet table centerpiece idea. Every moment engagement cake tells a love story, whether soft, bold, minimal, or floral. These 15 styles are perfect for 2025's most beautiful celebrations. Which engagement cake design do you love most? Drop the number in the comment or take a screenshot of it to make your coming wedding celebration more beautiful. and romantic. And don't forget to like this video and share, subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon for more updates or amazing ideas like this video. Share with someone planning their special day to make their day more beautiful and romantic, special in a way they want to make. Love you all. See you in the next sweet video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay blessed and positive. Goodbye.